Hello everyone, welcome back to AI with Anamika Yadav. In the previous video, we learned how to take user input in Python. Today we will understand another important topic, Python numbers. We learn the three numeric data types in Python. First is integer, second is float, and third one is complex. So let's get started. In Python, numbers are used to store numeric value. Python has three numeric data types: integer, float, and complex. Let's understand each one with example. Okay, so let's talk about integer. Integer or int. Okay, an integer is a whole number, either positive or negative. It does not contain any decimal points. Example, with an example, let's take an is equals to 30, 43 marks is equals to 78. And let's talk about temperature. Temperature is equals to temperature is either negative or positive. Okay, so let's take negative for this. So now let's check their type. In the previous video, we learned already about type function. So here you can check the temperature. The temperature value type is int. So whenever you store a whole number, Python automatically treat it as a integer. Okay. Now let's talk about float. A float is a number that contain a decimal points. Let's check. So just let's check the type of price. So here you are able to see the float data types. The representation of float data type is a decimal points only. Okay, here I already show you the type of price values. It's float. Okay, so decimal value are stored as a float in Python. Python also supports scientific notations. Let's see the example for this. So I put the take a variable x and assign the value to the axis 35 e and 3. Okay, so this means 35 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, but Python is still treat these value as float. Let's talk about complex number. So complex number is basically the third numeric data type is complex number. So okay, so complex number contain an imaginary part represented by j. For example, let's understand with example. One more variable y is equals to 5j. Let's check the type of x. So it's complex. Okay, you usually not use complex number in basic Python programming, but they are useful in mathematics, engineering, and scientific application only. So one more is random number. Let's talk about a random number. I can say it about random number. Python also provide a built-in module called random. So for this, we just first first import the module. Import random. We need to do it. First import the module. to generate the random number. Basically, x is equals to take a variable x and random rand it, or you can use rand range x. Here you can see every time you run the program, you will get a different number between 1 to 9. We will learn the random module in detail in a future video. Okay, so today we learn Python has three numeric data types: integer, float, complex, and how to generate a random number using random module. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI with Anamika Yadav. Follow follow me on Instagram, AI with Anamika, for daily Python tips and coding content. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.